All right, so I don't have anything big enough to try and get this stump out except for the bus. So I'll try and see if you can pull a tree stump out. Get it, Lou. Get it. I'm gonna see if you can pull a tree stump out with a school bus. Here we go.
Daddy, but what if Louie gets crunched?
What if Louie gets crunched?
Yeah.
We'll make sure he's out of the way.
Huh?
He is enjoying himself though.
Huh?
Get it, Lou. Here we go.
He knows you the whole way.
Yep, all right.
Next, Lou! Come on!
You're fine. Get in the bus.
Come on, Lou!
All right, we'll see you at work. You might say, I found the weakest link. I guess I need a better chain. All right, I bolted the chain back together. Don't know if it'll work, but we'll give it a shot. I don't have many options for chains, so just kind of working with what I got.
Come on, guys! Let's go!
You ready, bud?
Yeah! Come on, Dad!
I'm gonna chop this a little bit. Whew. Oh man, I already winded from chopping on that some. All right, I'm gonna chop on this a little more. Try and cut some of these roots, these big roots on this backside. And then hopefully chopping those out, it'll allow it to start peeling up and rip it out. It's a pretty rotten stump, so. Bus is working great though so far. All right, I got the whole backside of that chopped loose and it started kind of moving a little bit. So I'm gonna try and give it a tug. Come on, bud.
Okay. Yes, Lou!
And that's how you remove a tree stump with a school bus.